Hi and welcome to the recipe of making ginger and shallot steam fish by Lynn the Simple Way. To make this we need 1 whole fish, fresh silver perch, some ginger, some garlic, shallot, and coriander. We also need 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of liquid seasoning soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and some black pepper. Clean the fish, then slice open for easy steaming later. We would need to marinate the fish first for better flavoring. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and add some black peppers. Then marinate your fish. Massage the mixture into the fish flesh. Then leave to absorb for around 15 minutes. Clean and peel the skin of your ginger, slice into thin slices, then cut into thin strips. Slice your garlic, for your shallot, throw away the roots. Then cut the first piece around 15 centimeters, the rest into pieces of roughly around 3 centimeters. Cut coriander into half, and then use this special tool to shred the shallot. Alternatively, you can just cut the shallot into thin strips. Now add some of the ingredients like ginger, shallot. Stuff it into the fish. And then bring it to steam. The steaming time depending on your steamer, so you just have to check and make sure your fish is cooked after steam. Add some oil into your frying pan. Then wait until it's heated and add your garlic. Wait until the garlic is golden brown. Take the garlic out and pour the hot oil onto your steamed fish. Return the frying pan to the stove. Add 2 tablespoons of liquid seasoning soy sauce. Add your sugar, the water, and 1 teaspoon of the dark soy sauce. Also the 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. And pour this mixture onto your steamed fish. This is a tasty, healthy dish. Enjoy. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Lin My Simple Way.